英语必备1500句。
What else?
What else?
还有什么？
What else?
What else?
I swear.
I swear.
我发誓。
I swear.
I swear.
That's life.
That's life.
这就是生活。
That's life.
That's life.
Stay put.
Stay put.
待在原地。
Stay put.
Stay put.
Let me try.
Let me try.
让我试试。
Let me try.
Let me try.
I don't care.
I don't care.
我不在乎。
I don't care.
I don't care.
How can I help?
How can I help?
我能帮什么忙？
How can I help?
How can I help?
I'm serious.
I'm serious.
我是认真的。
I'm serious.
I'm serious.
What a mess.
What a mess.
真是一团糟。
What a mess.
What a mess.
Nice going.
Nice going.
干得好。
Nice going.
Nice going.
You're so sweet.
You're so sweet.
你真贴心。
You're so sweet.
You're so sweet.
That's all right.
That's all right.
没关系。
That's all right.
That's all right.
It's not fair.
It's not fair.
这不公平。
It's not fair.
It's not fair.
Don't get mad.
Don't get mad.
别生气。
Don't get mad.
Don't get mad.
Cut it out.
Cut it out.
别闹了。
Cut it out.
Cut it out.
You heard me.
You heard me.
你听到我说的了。
You heard me.
You heard me.
I'll check on it.
I'll check on it.
我会查看一下。
I'll check on it.
I'll check on it.
You asked for it.
You asked for it.
这是你自找的。
You asked for it.
You asked for it.
Let me explain.
Let me explain.
让我解释一下。
Let me explain.
Let me explain.
Forget about it.
Forget about it.
别在意了。
Forget about it.
Forget about it.
What's the deal?
What's the deal?
是怎么回事？
What's the deal?
What's the deal?
It's about time.
It's about time.
是时候了。
It's about time.
It's about time.
You're my hero.
You're my hero.
你是我的英雄。
You're my hero.
You're my hero.
What's it like?
What's it like?
他是什么样的？
What's it like?
What's it like?
That was close.
That was close.
好险啊！
That was close.
That was close.
I had no idea.
I had no idea.
我完全不知道。
I had no idea.
I had no idea.
I was bored.
I was bored.
我感到无聊。
I was bored.
I was bored.
It was my fault.
It was my fault.
那是我的错。
It was my fault.
It was my fault.
Why didn't you tell me?
Why didn't you tell me?
你为什么不告诉我？
Why didn't you tell me?
Why didn't you tell me?
That explains it.
That explains it.
这就解释了。
That explains it.
That explains it.
感谢你的耐心学习，已经听到结尾了，你真棒，离更好的自己又近了一步。欢迎点赞和关注我们。如果你觉得视频有什么需要改进的地方，可以直接在评论区指出，我会认真倾听，努力改进，与大家共同进步。